And welcome to my YouTube channel Word Chapter 2 Simulation Training Hand on Exercise 1. So open the Word Chapter 2 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Word chapter 2 simulation training hand on exercise 1, click the launch. So open the Word chapter 2 in Word chapter 2. So question number 4 is total question is 4 and we move to the question number 1. Select the all document text and change the fonts to Time New Roman and font size to 12. So select the all text and go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and so click the Time New Roman and to find the Time New Roman, click OK and font size to 12. Font size to 12. So next is select the second paragraph in the documents Corsi Filpse Studio L photography and then click the apply the italics. So select the text and click the italic. Next is select the five paragraph beginning with the compose with the care and ending the bold and click the font dialog box and bold the selection and select the small caps effect and close the dialog box. So select the five paragraph in the beginning. So select the five paragraph in the beginning in the compose with the centers and ending in the bio. So select the first five paragraph and ending beyond and click the font dialog box launchers and click the board selection and select the small caps and click OK. Select the small caps and close the dialog box. So select the five paragraph. Select the five paragraph and click the fonts, click the bold and click the small caps and click OK. And next is select the last paragraph, let Philips Studio and photography and resolve. Select the text and text effect to fill essence color, force and soft bevel 1. So select the last paragraph. So select the last paragraph in the let Philips. So select the last paragraph and select it in the text effects and text effect to the fill row 1 and 5, fill and soft bevel, click OK. And next select the word you should consider how to become better photographers in the paragraph under the composition heading and click the text heading colors, home text, font groups, highlights and text using the default yellow highlights. So select the word become better in the photographers paragraph. So find the photographer paragraph. Considered become the better photographer. photographer paragraph. So select the alt text in the first body paragraph beginning with the if you enjoyed taking a digital picture and ending with the when taking a picture and change the line spacing to 1.5 and do not deselect the text. So select the alt text and beginning of the paragraph digital picture and ending taking the picture and change the line spacing to 1.5. So go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and line spacing is to 1.5. Select the text first body of the paragraph if you enjoy digitals and ending with the taking a pictures and the line spacing is 1.5. And next is change the alignment selected to text justify, do not deselect the text and click the justify. And next is change the spacing after the of the selected text to 6 point. So after spacing 6 points, so go to the layout tabs and after spacing after spacing 6 point. And next is place the insertion point after the second paragraph cursory flip and studio L photography. Click the insert tabs, click the symbol and click the more symbol and insert the registered symbol from the special character tab. So place the insertion point and click the insert tabs and click the symbols and next is click the more symbols. Place the insertion in the second paragraph cursor and after the paragraph click the insert tabs and click the more symbols. So go to the insert tabs and go to the sample groups and click the more symbols, click the special characters, special character and more symbol and insert the register symbols. So register symbol, click the insert and click close. And next is change the alignment of the second paragraph course of display and studio L photography to align right. So change the alignment the second paragraph and second paragraph and align the right. So go to home tabs and click the align the right. And next is on the page 4, select the fourth paragraph beginning with the blurry image due to focus and ending with that's correct for a bit of a shake. Click the paragraph setting dialog box and launcher and apply the left ingredient of 0.5. So on a page 4, on page 4, and blurry image due to focus ending with the shake. Blurry image due to focus ending with the correct of shake. Fourth paragraph. Select the fourth paragraph beginning with the blurry image due to focus and ending with the correct bit shake. So bit shake. Blurry image due to focus and bit of so select the fourth paragraph in the bill ray and give me bit of shape and go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and first line is to 0.5 and click OK.